Omarchy 4.0, the alpha, has been installed on my physical laptop. No virtual machines here. That's how we roll. Anyways, last night I was falling asleep and I was thinking, why do I like Omarchy? Why do I actually like it? What is it? And I dove deep. I went deep before I fell asleep. I'm a poet. And I thought, it's just fun. It is fun. I like it. I think things, computers, and more stuff in life should just be fun. I'm more than middle-aged, as we will see. If we look at the calendar, there is a secret there that we can look at. But anyways, it's just fun, and it makes me smile. And so what's not to like? Let's start with the things that we can see right away. If you double-click the bar, now it's transparent. Double-click it again, solid. I'm going to leave it transparent because it looks good. If you click and you get the hand, you hold down the mouse button, you can drag it to the left, to the right, to the bottom, to the top. But it's not working currently for me because this is an alpha. It worked yesterday. I updated the machine. Now, for whatever reason, it just doesn't work. And it's an alpha. Just remember that, people. And now it's using Quickshell, not Waybar. This looks way better. And I love this. I love this feature. This is amazing. As you know, if you've been working with computers for a while, it's always the network guy, it's the firewall, or it's DNS. So here you can quickly just switch between DNS providers like that. And so how to verify that, resolve CTL. And as you can see, bada bing, bada boom, we are using Cloudflare. Next, let's go over to the audio. And in my vast experience of 24 hours, it just works. It works. And talking about things that work. I know this is Arch with Omarchy sprinkled on top, but still, I'm still surprised when things just work in Linux. This machine has a touchscreen. All the keyboard shortcuts work. Everything works. The touchscreen works. I'm just still flabbergasted. Flabbergasted. And, because when I started using Linux, to be honest, nothing worked. Nothing worked. So audio working fine. And display, now you can scale from here, which I love. It is amazing. And text size as well. Great. The brightness also works. Battery. Haven't tried different profiles, to be honest, because it's just been plugged in. And so overall, loving Quickshell. So here's the calendar and here's the Easter egg. You double click this line. You can say the year that you were born. And let's say I want to live until 87. That's nice. I would love to be 87. And then you have the weather. This is so much better than the old weather. It used to be a notification to the right if you click the weather. But here you can also now type in the city that you want to check the weather for. So this looks stunning. I love it. Let's discover some of the top icons here. Dictate, have not used that. Screen recording, I used that last night. Worked like a charm. And nightlight, you're not going to see it if I turn it on. I can see it on the laptop, but not in the screen recording. And but it works like a charm as well. Silence. Notifications. We will do the screaming around here. I don't know. And then stay awake. That is something that I turned on as soon as I turned on the computer because it disables screensaver and the idle lock. It's the best screensaver ever. The best. Omarchy, the Matrix of Doom. And I have one reminder set, which is kind of cool. Drink water in 1 minute, 16 seconds. Something that is big for me is in the older Omarchy, you would have to do super and space, and then you can open up your programs, and then you would have super alt space to do configuration, all the admin stuff. Now there's just one menu and it's fully searchable. Let's say we do menu because it's not working for me right now with the mouse. Just to show it to you, show you. So now it's on the left. I'm gonna put it back on the top. Remember what I said about what makes Omarchy great for me? It's fun. It's also beautiful. Just look at it. It is stylish. Let's just speak Spanish right here. But DHH, a huge friend of the show. This is his opinionated, sprinkled secret sauce of Linux. That's what I love about it as well. I'm finding apps, things, settings, new things that I didn't even know about, which I love. And this Klee app, I love it. This is my new favorite thing in the world right now because I'm Icelandic. I live in Iceland, but I also grew up a little bit in Luxembourg. I love just when I'm working, listening to German, Luxembourg radio and stuff like that. So this is like, if you haven't checked this out, you have to check it out. Well, then you might say, okay, like what's the deal, man? Like it's so bloated. That's what I've heard from people. You can go remove and pre-installs and just, it's gone. And with the new menu, it's like you just type in pre and bada bing, bada boom, enter, it's gone. Where's the bloat? Hello, where's the bloat? Let's talk about learn. Key bindings. You're without excuse. You know, you can learn these. I can learn these. I'm as dumb as a bricks. So we're all in the same boat, buddy. You know, this is hard. Life is hard. Let's get over it. Trigger, no idea. So emoji, oh, sweet. Sometimes I want to randomly find an emoji and use it. And so that was the wrong key. I should look at my keyboard. Oh, I guess it's just escape. Okay, still learning. Hello, somebody should go learn some key bindings. Style, so theme. Now there's this new, where is it? Oh, just took a minute. I'm using Nord. So what I like about these is you can preview what it's going to look like. So isn't that stunning and cool? What's next? Style, font. I always change, like, you can poo-poo me in the comments. Go ahead. Bring it on. Ubuntu Sans Mono. That is my favorite font. Right now, I'm using 2 monitors. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. There's I don't know what I should talk about here. Let's wrap things up with doing fast fetch before you go. I know TikTok is calling, but oh yeah. If you're brand new, you don't know what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is. These are different workspaces. So if you've never used Omarchy before or tiling window manager or a computer, these are the workspaces. And so now you know. And this thingamajigging right here is the menu. So now you know as much as I do. This is the machine that I installed it on. It is about 4 years old, 5 years old-ish. And the thing is, I'm going to roll some B-roll right now because I'm a professional YouTuber. Hello. And so I know a friend of the show, DHH, has been trying to get the install under a minute. I think yesterday he got it down to 59 seconds. So mine was, I think, 2 minutes something. And it was using the oldest, the lamest, the poorest excuse for a USB drive ever. And this machine is not a friend of the show, DHH machine. And so here you can see just anything that you want. I am on the Edge channel. I think maybe you have to be on Omarchy 4. I don't know, but I live on the Edge anyways. Foot. This is going back. This is going back to why I love Omarchy. I've never used Foot. It's the best name ever for a terminal, and it's been nothing but a pleasure for the last 24 hours. And the thing is, I love WesTerm. I've used WesTerm for the longest time, but with Wayland, it's kind of like, it's abusive relationship. You know, let's just say it like it is. It is a hit and miss. So, Foot, I don't know. I'm going to try it out. Best name ever. Hashtag. I don't know. Comments, let me know if you have any questions. But right now, this machine looks stunning. I love it. So until next time, please click like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And I know people say this, but if you really like it, just do it. Just do it. You can do it. Anyways, appreciate you. Until the next time, bye.